Guys, today we're gonna go on Turbo Juice Me Out. Let's make sure it's set on. Yep. So if this thing annoys you, just ignore it. So let's just get on with the video. Just wait for it to load. Make sure it's still recording. Yeah. Nope. Load. There we go. I'm gonna pick a car. Actually, I'm gonna stick with this car. It is my favourite car. It's not working. Smell that nice little red one. That's like thing where you want it going. Oh, look at that. Guys, once I get ice, I'm going straight on it. Come on, please. Oh my god. Okay, I can't get my face on it right now. I don't know what. Close. Close. Funny. Oh god, this is so stupid. Okay, I got a free car. I'll show you what it was in a minute. It's quite funny actually. I should have gone in that, shouldn't I? Yeah, I'll go on it next time I die. My brother said he had 1,000 on this. If anyone believes him, comment down saying I believe him, or if you don't, just comment saying I don't, or just don't comment at all. Because I doubt anyone believes him that he had 1,000 on the first course. 1,000. But if he actually like trying to think, does he actually think that's right? Oh no, we're picking blue. Then we got the chicken. Let's go. Perfect for a farm. I keep making faces and I realise that. Oh, face cam. Nah, it's too stupid. This has got to be the annoyingest tracks I've actually know. The bridge on the thing is the annoyingest. I'm going to show you a little glitch in the game. So, obviously when I get there, but oh yes. Let's go on it, let's go on it, man. Let's go. In adverts, you know what? Volume's turned down, so turn it off. I'm not going to go back just in case it shows. Oh, still going. Get right, noobs. Just that green's going to take up that much. It must be good. Let's move this out this corner. Perfect. So I'm going to go home. Play ice. Apparently, there's a rock you can hit. There's a way you can actually just turn all the way around and go backwards. There's a rock on this. Oh, that's not. What the hell? What? My brother said you could turn all the way around. Yeah, of course. Nah, it's impossible. Why did I go side? Yeah, it is pretty impossible. So I'm actually trying to play it. This is hard. If you want to download this yourself. I died from a leaf. Well, a tree, but still. Oh, that's nuts. Really hard. You gotta turn so early. Time it. Perfect. Oh my god, I swear I went through one. First attempt. Oh god. When you do start slowing down, it's weird. What's my record? It's 42, I think, right? Oh my god, I'm doing that. They crashed into that tree. That's really annoying. I died by a tree twice now. Just look outside. Oh, it's not a very nice. Well, it sort of is, but yeah, I'm in England, so when has it ever been nice? Oh, that was a nice one. Nice. Oh. Nah. I feel bad for you people who live in Norway, like Denmark, I think it is. I think that's where it is. It's really Canada where it's snowing. Anyway, continue. I'll be making quite a long video tomorrow, I think. It will let me. So I'm just going to be like, on my final. See, I went through that tree. Nice. Ready? Another one? Yes, this one after this is going to be my final one. So I'm just going to say soon I'll be upload. This is like going to be the main upload. I might try and find another game that I can probably video. And yeah, I'll just look through the games, like this actual thing. I know there was one of them that you could do. Oh, yeah, that's going to be that. So anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. Well, comment if you want, like what I said, if you believe my brother that he got 1,000 and something on this, or 999. I definitely don't believe him, and I'm better than him. He didn't even get to 100 last time. I gave him 5 goes on this, and he didn't even get to 100. So I'll keep saying you're lying, sir. No. Oh, on the ice one, I got about 10. I got 28. Well, that's my record. Don't know why I just started another one. Right, I'll just carry on. Right, so anyway, I'm just going to say stuff now. I'm just going to say that I'm dead. So anyway, yeah. Thanks for watching. Click that subscribe button, and I'm just about to go and find some more games. So, there'll be another one not long after this. So, thanks for watching. For God's sake.